So, Brian, what?
I didn't say anything.
I thought you interrupted me. Don't interrupt me.
Are you okay?
I'm as okay as your face. I'm sorry.
So, honey, what are you gonna rant about today? Can we get a little preview?
Oh, I got a good one, Lois. Parents who let their kids do anything they want. I hate that, you know? Like when I'm in a restaurant, right, trying to enjoy my dinner, and little baby Junior son of a bitch over there is screaming his head off. Parents need to control their kids.
Hey, everybody, look! I'm gonna do something that's gonna freak you out. I'm gonna jump from this shelf to my high chair. I'm gonna jump. Are you watching? Are you?
Stewie, don't interrupt. It grinds my gears when you do that.
Oh, he said it! Oh.
You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. Oh God! Oh, dude! Did you see that? Did you guys? Oh man! Look at this! Look at this gash! Look at this gash right up the side of my leg. Oh! I cut myself deep. Oh, it doesn't hurt though.